I'm going to be showing you how to install MongoDB Compass and how to connect to our MongoDB database using the MongoDB Compass with Node.js server so that we can submit data into the database and get data from the database. So let's get started. First, you need to go to the mongodb.com/product/tools/compass, or basically just go to the mongodb.com website, go to products, go to compass. Okay, just click this. You will come to this page, go to download, and if you've already installed this, you can just skip the video a little bit, and then we're in tools and in the MongoDB Compass. Let's go here, and then just whatever version your operating system is, just select that here and just press download. It will start downloading. It's not a big file. After you have downloaded MongoDB Compass, the installation process is very simple. It will automatically start installing it. And as you can see, my MongoDB Compass is installed. You need to connect to it on the local host, so make sure you're here and connect. So sometimes you will run into this error, and the way to fix this is really simple, because most of the time what's happening here is your server is not running on your local machine. So to do this, you need to click the magnifying glass icon and type in services. Just open this. Then go into here, press M, find MongoDB server, right click and press start. And now close this. Let's connect. As you can see, we have connected to our database. I'm just gonna create a simple database called demo and give this collection a name. Let's say post. Create database. Okay, and now instead of adding things manually, what we're going to do is we're going to connect to our database. First, we install a package called Mongoose. Alright, Mongoose is installed. Now I'm going to start the server. Now let's require Mongoose into our project. And we're going to connect to our database. Mongoose.connect. Okay. And here, what you are going to do is put in the connection URL. I'm going to disconnect first. Just need to copy this, connect back, and I'm going to put this here. Now I want to tell you something first, that this is not a secure way of doing this. You end up creating a env file and then put this in that and then connect it using the env file. And if you want a tutorial on that, I'll make it. But for now, we're going to connect it like this, and then then, because this returns a promise, and I'm going to do something simple, console log this and say connected, and do a catch if there was some kind of error, and then put out the console log of not connected to DB, and I'm gonna save this. Let me just go to demo, just go into post, and let's just do something really simple. Okay, so the server is running and the MongoDB is connected now. Okay, so now I have created a small demo, and I'm just gonna quickly go over all of this. But first, I'm gonna show you my MongoDB Compass. Okay, I've connected to that to the localhost one. Okay, and you need to go into databases, click the plus icon, put in the name and the collection name. I've given the name demo and put in the name post for the collection. Okay, and all you need to do after this is go into this. Okay, it's completely empty right now. Now to connect to it, you just end up adding the package. Okay, this is simple. npm install mongoose, then you connect to it. This is the URL, which is the MongoDB :/ and then this, which is what we're connecting to, and then the database name. Okay, after that I have created a schema, which is a small schema, and I've given it a title. The type is going to be string. You create this model, and then I'm submitting that using this. Okay, and you target the post model, not the schema. And then I'm just saying that, okay, if this worked, then just return this. So let's see if this works, and I'm gonna send it. Okay, it says data submitted, and let's refresh this. Oh, it created another one. The reason is that by default it pluralizes this, which you can set to false. Okay, if you do mongoose dot pluralize, false. Okay, now it worked, and let's refresh this. As you can see, the data is submitted. So this is how this works, that if you want to use this not with an S, then you just add this right here. Okay, so like and subscribe. This is it for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.